Everyone go for a mute. So today we are learning charcoal and we have finished the sketch part. Now we are starting um, the charcoal with the boy with the water. So first thing is what we're going to do is always when you do charcoal or any sort of dry mediums, always first do the background. Background means this one. So always do the background. It also helps you to understand if you're very new to this medium, if you don't know how to do it, if you don't know how to use the styles and methods and all these things you can experiment in the background. That will give you more strength and more idea to work on the inside part. So first you play around with the background, then again you come back to the inner portion. So for the when we're doing background part, so what is the thing is we see a lot of textures in the background. Sir, how to create those textures? I'm not able to get those textures and all. So those textures and all you can actually create it. So it just you need an idea or you need a different style to to handle that texture. So that is what we're going to learn today. So first step, everybody, please open soft pastels all the materials. Um, so for the background, I'm using chalk. This is a charcoal chalk. It's called as compressive, and it will come very thick and very dark. So you should use very precisely. Don't use very don't press very hard. You should do like a feather touch. So let's start working on the upper part. So, so this is a round technique. This is the round technique style which I'm doing now. Go slowly. Don't go slowly. So this is very rough technique which I'm going now. Very important, please don't touch the water shades. The moment you touch the water shades, you will be no idea about where actually the water is splashing. So kindly please don't touch the water shades. Am I clear? Am I audible, right? Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
yeah. So basically I'm going circling all the texture. I know it's very dark, but I'm not thinking so much because we're going to add eventually white on it, so it will turn into a gray. That's what actually the background is. So I'm continuing the same thing. So once I got like very rough, texture like this, covering up all the spots. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use white now. So what does this white can do is this white chalk, charcoal chalk, it can help you to get that blending form with a texture related. So same thing, use the same technique, but do it in a round technique. So you have a pipe and all, so don't apply those places. Just apply gently, covering up these spots.
So, sir, throughout the background, we have to apply this round motion on with
Yes,
black
yes,
and white both, right?
yes. And very important, this background, especially don't blend in hand. Use wear surgical gloves or something because your hand will be going a lot of messy. And this is a chemical based, so please, before you eat something, wash your hand at least 2 times, 3 times if you're not wearing gloves. Not only the dry medium of this, any dry medium you choose, it's always you should wear surgical gloves. That will make, reduces the colors of your hand. So once you got this kind of consistency, what I'm going to do here is now I'll take I'll use 3 fingers and slightly I'm going to blend it. So in between there is a black thick line. I'm going to leave that as a white gap because I want to do it in a very thick black. So those places anyways is going to come black. So I'm not going to put any color on that. I just want to do the outside. So once I'm done with this, then I'll use that one. So
Sir, I totally forgot to leave this lines. I did the black.
it doesn't matter. You can just now you can start leaving the lines.
Okay.
This is how messy your hand will be. So my video is visible, right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, cool. So let it continue up to here. Same thing, this pattern also goes. Even I have not left this line, so it doesn't matter. If you know the lines where exactly it is, so you don't need to worry about it. Now, again, I'm adding a black here. So in this pattern, again, very gently, I'm applying slowly, very light. Going to go very slowly. So same thing here also. By the way, if you don't have charcoal white, of course you can use soft pastels white. I'm using soft pastels white, but if you don't have a charcoal soft one, so you can use soft pastel white soft. That also be acceptable. So both are quite similar. If you use chalk or if you choose so I'm just blending.
So chalks are really light, like it keeps on breaking.
Don't press too hard. So press very lightly. And now I'm just using this lines. Same thing here also I'm using line. So once I'm done with this, again, I'm using the blending format and very gently I'm adding those colors. And here also and down also I'm applying. So down, it's very dark. So today we are just doing only the background to cover up all the spots. So once I'm done with this,
So can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, I was just wondering from where the water is coming.
The waters are here placed. These places are water.
No. Over the head, from where it is coming, falling.
Here.
Oh.
See, basically the water is not falling on his head.
Ah.
It's someone threw it face on his water. It just
Oh, I
splashed
see.
and it's sprinkled.
All right.
So yeah. So what I'm going to do is this recording I'm going to upload in the YouTube channel. So you can just type my name and you will get this channel. So you can have a look there also. My YouTube channel is SATISH space Inshul G and space DATTATRI. That's my full name. So if you type Satish also, you'll get it.
Can I use stub for blending?
No, uncle. No, not now. This one. We'll use the stumps for the final touch-ups. Not now. First,
Okay.
we need to fill all the gaps. Whatever you see, the white gaps, all the gaps. But make sure don't apply very thick. If you apply very thick, we need to take it out. Apply very gently and very medium tone. It's a medium tone we are working on.
So are you doing this with charcoal?
Yes. So now I'm using my hand and I'm blending all the background.
It's going a little out of focus. Can you put your camera a little back?
So now you can normally see it slowly it's coming up. If you get this kind of format, so later we can use texture in the pencil and we can get through about it. So first we need to get this kind of color with a nice finish. Did you understood, guys?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Normally why I'll tell you to guys to do background, because here, no matter how much you work hard, if you do the background, the powders will drop on this and it might damage your artwork. I'm talking about only dry medium. When you do it in color, it'll be completely different. So when you do only dry mediums, please focus on this, especially charcoals. You know, these two are very much important. I'm talking about the powder-based materials. Now slightly, I'm going to move here also. Please take a screenshot of here. Okay. Now I'm going to start here. See some of the places I can see white patches. Can you able to see, guys, here?
Yeah.
These white patches, of course, again you need to reapply black, because still the color is not stick to the paper. So I just applied some more white patches near those areas. Again, I'm going to blend it in hand.
So, sir, till the time the white patches are not visible, we can blend it how many times you want, right?
Yeah. But make sure don't press your chalk more than the medium tone.
Okay.
Don't overpress. If you overpress, it'll come like a very thick, and you can't put texture. The main base we are doing this because we have to put texture. Texture
Yeah.
matlab you have lots of textures on the background. So we have to create it. We can't do it. We have to create it. Not with the blending. We have to create in the pencil. So for that, we are doing this base coat. Have you understood now?
Yes, sir.
Can I use paper for blending?
No, uncle. Only hand.
Uncle, charcoal in the corona barala, uncle.
ಕರೋನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಮೈಯೆಲ್ಲ ಬಣ್ಣ ಬಳ್ಕೊತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
Yeah.
ಮೇಷ್ಟ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗ್ಲೌಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಗ್ಲೌಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು.
ಅದು ನಿಜ ಸರ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗ್ಲೌಸ್ ತರಕ್ಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ತರೋಣ ಅಂಕಲ್ ನಾವು.
You get it in any medical store, uncle.
I know, but I am not ready with that.
Yeah.
Yesterday I saw it on Instagram and I forgot to ask you, sir. Should we also cater for anta martoytu kelak?
What is it for?
Adi gloves. I saw you using it on Insta.
Yeah, you would have asked me, no?
I forgot to ask you, sir.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ questions, so you should really ask me the questions. Whatever doubt you have, you please ask me.
Sir.
ಇಜ್ಲಾಕಿ ಹಲ್ಲು ಉಜ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಒಂದ್ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ, ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಉಜ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ ಅಂಕಲ್. ವೈಟ್ ಇರೋದು ಪಿಂಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಟೂತ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಚಾರ್ಕೋಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ.
ಅದೇ
ಇದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಕೋಲ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಕಿರಲ್ಲ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಪೌಡರ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ರಿಷಿ ಕಪೂರ್ ತರ ಜೋಶಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂಕಲ್.
ಅವನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜೋಶ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವನು ರಿಷಿ ಕಪೂರ್.
ಹಾಗೆ ಅಚ್ಚಾ.
So keep going like this.
ಈ ಪೇಪರ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಟು ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಸರ್? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್?
Full end to end, uncle. It's all full end to end. Don't waste any side of the paper. Please do it all the corners. It's just a practice. Whichever it's empty, whichever is not required, please apply those places because it will be a practice for you. Whatever practice is going to help you on the main this thing.
Okay.
So this practice background which helps you how to blend.
Correct.
So that is a very good practice. So now also I'm doing the pipe also. You want me to slow down? You want me to wait for 5-10
Yes, sir.
minutes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Just 1 second. Everyone, please take an overall screenshot. Okay, done. Okay, just wait for 5-10 minutes. Vinita, just forward that to Uncle also, no?
Which one?
Vinita? Okay, I think she listened. It's okay.
Yes, sir, I heard. I was going. I'll send it, sir.
Okay.
Uncle, ಕಳ್ಸಿದೀನಿ uncle screenshot ನಿಮ್ಗೆ.
ಈ ಸಂಧಿಲೆಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಬೆರಳು ಹೋಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ.
So those places you can apply, the stumps, rubber stumps. You can use the
ಅದೇ
rubber stumps and you can blend it. So now we concentrate more on the bigger space. This corner space will work on the rubber stumps.
Okay. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಟಿಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾತ್ನೆ ಗಂಟೆ ಡಬ್ಬಲಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕುಡಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲ
So now again, shall I continue the pipe? Or shall I give you another 5-10 minutes time?
I am okay. So बाकी और उनके लिए
I'll give another 5 minutes time. How do you add white? So
Sir.
you'll get much more lighter gray. So we need a
Sir,
gray
sir.
tint. So apply
Okay,
very
sir.
lightly.
Okay,
So
sir.
once you apply lightly, then only we can go next. Otherwise, it will be overall painting will be very dark.
Sir. When I did, I didn't realize. As soon as I tried to click a photo, I realized I'm like, oh, this has become too dark.
Yeah. Now I'm going to do the that pipe thing is there. After that, I'm going to wind up the class because I want you to guys to do very neatly for the background first.
Sir.
Okay. So again, I'm adding here. Okay. So this much is okay for now. So this is how the overall looks. So please take a screenshot. So I'm going to stop the recording also. I want neat